Hey y'all. If you're watching the replay, I'll have this on YouTube, so you can catch it there. Hey Sophia. You guys, I look crazy because I don't have any makeup on. I haven't taken a shower. I'm like craziness. So, hey, good afternoon. So for this will be on YouTube. So all the YouTubers, I am on Periscope and I am recording. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you for the hearts. Okay, so I had some people ask me how I ship with Shipping Easy and Google Docs. So I wanted to come on here and do a little like example of that. And then I'm going to post this on YouTube. So let me get you to my camera. This is my clothes, you guys. So it's not like some customers' clothes. All right, guys. So let's see. Hi, Jennifer. Welcome. All right. So this is my Google Doc here. I'm gonna try to get it a little closer, but hey, I don't want you guys to see addresses. But this is my Google Doc here. I basically have it open all the time, and I get emails when people respond to it and whatnot. So I use Shipping Easy because I use Square. PayPal doesn't like me. That's what I always say. But a lot of people have problems with PayPal holding their funds, and I just cannot deal with that at all. So I go ahead and just use Shipping Easy to ship. Hey, Monica. I'm going to fix you guys a little bit. So I just use shipping, get you a little closer to my height. I use Shipping Easy to ship with Square. Because you have to use an outside source when you are shipping with Square. Hey there. And not PayPal. PayPal, you can do it within PayPal. You can ship. So I'm going to go ahead. Hey, Monica. I'm going to try to get the camera close here. And let's see if you guys can see this. Okay, yeah. I was going to go on the representatives page, but I'm going to put this on YouTube. So I go ahead and I might have to move the camera closer. Try to get it tilted. So this is my Google Doc. I go ahead and click right here on these three dots. And I download all the responses as a .csv file. That's what you need to do Shipping Easy. So I went ahead and it downloaded them all for me. So I go to this upper right hand corner. Let me see if you see that right here. This is where my downloads. I'm on a Mac. So wherever your downloads go there. And I go ahead and double click that. And it brings up all of the stuff. Okay. I don't want people to see like addresses and stuff. So let me zoom out again. So all of them are downloaded. Now it downloads every single one of them. And I do not delete any of anyone who fills out Google Doc. I don't delete it because I have a lot of return clients and there's no need for them to go ahead. Thank you for the hearts. Fill out a Google Doc when I already know the items they're getting. Hey, Mandy. So I don't make them fill out another Google Doc. I just keep track of their stuff. Usually we're PMing each other. So thank you for inviting followers. Usually we're PMing one another anyways. So, hi there. So let me go. It's going to be in, let me see here. Sorry, guys. Let me go ahead and find it. All right, here it goes. So then this is, yeah, for sure. This is all of them right here. They're all here. And the way I have it's set up, you guys, when you're doing Shipping Easy and a Google Doc, you need to have everything separated. So then when it downloads your stuff, it's going to be separated perfectly. I have timestamp, full name, Facebook name, email, address, city, state, all the categories that I'm going to need exactly for Shipping Easy. So you need to have it separated very well on your Google Doc. For that reason, my Google Doc is kind of in depth, okay? My Google Doc is going to have, I'm going to bring you closer here. My Google Doc is separated so that it works best on Shipping Easy when I upload to Shipping Easy, sorry. Full name, Facebook name if different. I need their email. Anything that has a red star, if you can see that, I hope you can see that. Anything that has a red star, they have to put in. They have to put that in. So I have it. Let me turn it here. Sorry, guys. So then I have another section for the shipping address, and I have it separated by street address, city, state, and zip code. Again, so when I upload it as a .csv file, it's going to be separated by columns. I have their order information, where they ordered and everything. That's to keep track for me, Periscope or Facebook, payment policy, return policy, and then always ask if they want to do a hostess party with you or if they're interested in joining. We're not recruiting, but if they're interested in information on it, okay? Thank you for the hearts. And then special notes for shop credit or anything. So I know a lot of people have really like easy Google Docs. Mine is a little bit more in depth because I use Square and Shipping Easy. So I need to have it more in depth. So here I am. I have all these names and not everyone is being shipped, okay? Some of them are just repeat clients. Some of them have been shipped already. So I have a lot of information here. And then I have people who fill out my Google Doc like 5 times. Like they want to make sure they get their stuff. So I've got to go to Square, and then this is all of my invoices here. Okay? And I need to like look at the lists of names and see. So I already know that who I've shipped and whatnot. So I did a lot of sales over the weekend, so I know where I'm at with that. Let me get it this way. Okay. Let me get the glare out. All right then. So let me go back to, I have Shipping Easy already open. Sorry guys, let me go back to my checkout form. And basically I'm going to go back and forth between who has bought and who hasn't. So, and who I need to ship. All right. I know by memory basically who is shipping and who's not. Okay. So I'm going to adjust all of this. Like all these people I don't need. I don't need any of these people right here. None of them have bought. So I'm going to go ahead and delete all of that. You're basically just kind of editing this. I'm going to go to table. It's just, I'm on numbers. So it's just like using any numbers, okay? I'm going to go there and I'm going to go ahead and delete the rows. Let me go ahead and flip the camera around, you guys. You're going to get some movement here. Sorry, guys. I'm going to go ahead and flip you guys so you can see. Hey there. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the rows. Sorry, it's not focusing. Focus. Focus. Anyways, I'm on numbers, so if you guys know Mac, then you know how to use it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just edit all of this, okay? I don't want you guys to see people's information. So that's what I do. I edit the document, and once I edit it, let's go ahead and do like a mock. I'm going to go ahead, so this won't be too long. I'm going to do a mock. Let's say I edited everything. I went ahead and edited, blah, blah, blah. Let me make it a little smaller because it's like a lot here. And then when you're using this, you also don't want to have any blank rows, because then it's going to upload into Shipping Easy as blank rows, and it's going to be like there's nothing here, and it's just going to take you a longer time to ship. So you don't want to do that. You want to make sure that you have everything kind of set. So I'm editing my file here. And I'm trying to do it kind of quickly so that this video doesn't run too long. Let's see. Sorry, guys. What's everyone up to today? Yeah, for sure. I'm trying not to make this too long. Okay. So editing the document, deleting all the rows and stuff like that, just like you would do any other Numbers or Microsoft Excel file. I'm just deleting the rows that I'm not using, okay? Hey, Letty. So, I'm going to go ahead and show you how it looks now. So this is how it looks now. Oh, that's funny. So I've deleted everything, and this is all that's left. Okay? That's all that's left that I need to... that's funny. That I need to upload. Okay, so once you do that, you've got to re-upload it as a .csv file, because once you start editing, it turns into a numbers file. It's no longer the file that you need for Shipping Easy. Shipping Easy, you need it to have as a .csv. So I'm gonna flip you back around. I'm going to go here to File. I wish it would focus. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get it to focus. So I'm going to go to File, Focus. I guess that's the best I can do, right? So File, Export to, and you have the option right there for CSV. I hope you guys can see that, CSV. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to go to Next. It tells you if you want to export it. I'm going to go ahead and change it to today's date so that I know what I'm working on. So what's today? The 23rd. So I do 1/23/17. So it's just easier for me to find. And it goes straight to my Agnes and Dora business file because I work on it so much, and then I export it. All right, so you're done doing that. I know this seems like a lot of steps. It's really not once you get used to doing this. Look how much stuff I have. You guys, it's crazy. I have so much going on. Okay, Shipping Easy. Here we are on the Shipping Easy page. Okay, we're going to go to Upload Orders. Let me show you how add manual orders. This is what you don't want to do. You do not want to have to add all your customers and all the information in. I do have some saved addresses, but you do not want to do that. You want to just go straight, hey there, Susie. You want to straight upload orders. So here it is. Again, you have to have a .csv file. So browse, and I'm going to go, it's right there. Again, I made it super easy to find because I made it the way that I named it. It's really easy for me to find. So I click on that, and then I'm just going to upload the file. So then it's uploaded. I'm sorry, this is usually filled with some stuff. Hold on here. Okay. Yeah, this is not supposed to be empty. So I have all of this information. You need to have an order number. You need to have everything with stars. You need to have item name. So again, that is why my Google Doc is very in depth, and that is why everything is separated, because all of those columns, this right here is your timestamp, and that's going to go in here. Like, you need all of that stuff, okay, you guys? My timestamp is my order number. So I'm going to go here, drop down to Agnes and Dora orders. Okay. I don't know why, you guys. Of course I'm doing this and it decides to be funky. It should drop down to that. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can just continue. No, I can't. Okay. This usually does not happen, you guys. This usually does not happen. Okay. See, let me go ahead and just show you an example, because I don't know why it's telling me to map my fields. I already did that. That's a separate thing that you have to do, and I could do a training on that. I'm just going to go ahead to this one. So that's how it would look. It would look like this, and it's going to say ready, because you already uploaded it. And then you click on it. And then it's going to have everyone's information right here. Everyone's information. If there's a problem, it's not going to let you upload it. It's going to say complete order. And it's going to tell you where. Like these places, it can't be blank. You have to have like something under item number, item name. You have to have something. That is why usually people fill it out like this with what they got or the item number. But if they don't, you're going to have to just like put something in there. So I'm going to go ahead and fill that in so you guys can see how I upload stuff. It really does not matter what you put in there. So usually I don't have to do this. And usually it's really easy for me to upload. But for some reason it's telling me I have to remap my fields, which is really odd. I don't know why it's telling me to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and just delete. So you can, if you by mistake you uploaded something that you don't need, you can go ahead and go on the side and just delete it. Let me go, it's like right in the corner, so just delete them. If you're like, okay, I uploaded these people, I don't need them to ship, I'm just going to delete it. I'm just going to delete everything that's having a problem here because I don't need it. This is just for an example. I just want to show you guys the final results. So everything highlighted in yellow, there's a problem. Again, why you want to have a really good Google Doc. Okay, complete order, it's done. So I'm going to hit complete order. Nothing there, right? It needs to be refreshed. And it starts to upload them. Everyone's uploading. See that there? So then what I do, I can go ahead and click this button right here to highlight all of them. And then I'm going to create shipments. And then it's going to be under ready for payment or ready to ship. It's going to do ready to ship, and then all this information here you fill out, whether it's priority mail, flat rate box, etc., etc. Then once you fill all of that out and it tells you all the prices and stuff, you're going to put add to cart, and then it's going to continue added to cart so that it can go under ready for payment. And then once you go ahead and pay for all of your postage, you can go ahead and upload money into the system. Then you're going to go to ready to print. I'm going to go to ready to print to see if there's anything there. There's nothing there. But if I go here to ready to print, everyone's information would be right here. Like all of the labels would be right here. And I can go ahead and like click on that print all. It'll go over here, and then I just print it, and that's it. And when I print it, it goes to a second window. Like if you're printing anything, it's going to go into a second window, and then I print it, and that's it. So all of that, it's really easy. So you do not have to manually input everyone's information, you know. And I know this seemed really long and like a long drawn out process, and it's not. Like once you upload it and do it 1-2 times, it goes like this. Again, I don't know why it was telling me I needed to put my fields in again. That is super weird. Maybe because the prices of shipping have changed or something like that, because that was odd. But besides that, it's really easy, and you have to just set up everything. Like when it told me I needed to map my fields, that means that I needed to have like an order number, and I needed to have like item numbers and the names and all of that stuff. I've already done that, so I'll have to look into it. But when you sign up with Shipping Easy, you need to make sure that you set it up to be smooth as possible. And when you sign up with Shipping Easy, it's going to have tutorials. Like there's a tutorial on how to do this. There's like an in-depth tutorial on how to do this. It's like a couple minutes, you know, but people still kind of get confused when they're doing it themselves. And then there's like a tutorial on how to ship and everything. And I literally can like chat with someone right now and they'll get back to me like this. So but that is it for this tutorial. I hope it was really helpful for you on how to do that. I'm going to upload this to YouTube. So YouTubers, I'm talking on Periscope, so I'm not talking to myself. And that is it, you guys. So I will talk to you later. Bye. Okay. As always, I always have problems. Bye, guys.